So today we have a 2012 Ram 3500 with 6.7. Putting a crank sensor in it, so it's pretty simple. We got, I think it's an 8, and the crank sensor we're putting in is a new updated style. So I'm gonna make a mess. Let's see. Make sure you wear your glasses when you do this. Try not to break this clip. I don't have my little lights with me, so this light might flicker just a little bit. This is my cheap pocket screwdriver. Try not to break it. I hate these clips. Let's see if I can. Gosh, just getting rained on and crud. There we go. I really don't want to break the connector. Just counter hold it and pop it right off. There we go. Okay. Ow. So next we're gonna try to get the 8 off. Hopefully it is an 8. Make sure you're wearing your goggles because it's about to get messy. The wind's blowing it in my face. Might be a Torx. This is a Fiat after all. What the hell? Look at that. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm back. Finally. Hopefully with the right tools. Okay, so that is a 5mm Allen. Oh, why these lights do that? It's weird. So we're gonna get the Allen out. Got the Allen out. Let's get this. Gotta twist it. Okay. Oh yeah. Something got jammed in between it. Usually what I notice is the belts will get in there if you're not careful. They don't eat it. So you gotta be really careful when you're putting a belt on one of these. Now, this sensor does look different. This is a crank sensor. It's a Cummins part. Like I said, I try not to use the cheap crap parts. Okay, let's see. So, let's give it a little wiggle jiggle. The O-ring really doesn't matter because it doesn't need that to seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in. Now I dropped the bolt in my armpit. Okay, now we're gonna get this in. Can't see the hole. Okay. Doing it all by. Let me see, was it the. Oh, okay, so that's the smaller hole. Like the original. There's that. And don't forget to torque it. I don't want to put too much pressure on the head of that. Click. You guys heard that? Look at the crank sensor. Okay, it looks fine. Okay, there we go. She's in. This is in like Flynn. It wouldn't be a Cummins if the timing cover wasn't starting to leak. So, but they didn't bring it for that. We're just gonna do this and call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear the codes and we'll get rid of it.